너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hi everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will show you tomato salad, tomato and onion salad. I will introduce the ingredients: tomato, onion, some ice and vinegar and salt and sugar and water. First the onion, make a slice. Sometimes use this tomato onion salad with juice, very delicious. This much. Okay. Nice tomato. Small 2 spoon sugar and just the salt, vinegar, and water, a little bit water. And mix it. Mix, and we put a little bit ice. It's very nice. Summertime, very good. This is European home cooking. Tomato, onion, and salad. Tomato, onion salad juice.